guys, so here's the next build. We're going to be swapping out the amber, deleting the amber on the headlight. We're going to be painting the corner amber light black, and then also we're going to be reinstalling the brand new LED. So we're going to be doing the RGB kit on this 2016 Silverado. Shit's badass. You already know the trucking scene's fucking huge, so Manny decided to come to us again after doing the RGB kit onto his Daytona, the red one that you guys see on the channel before. So now what we're doing is doing his truck, and he said fuck it, he decided to buy himself an early birthday present, so he got himself a 2016 truck, single bed, you know. So shit's badass. Fucking LS swapped, I think it's a 5.3 or it's a 6 liter, but shit sounds sick, straight pipe, and definitely has some bump in the back. So I'll show you guys that. Of course, he has the speakers right here, and yeah. So this is what we've been doing to the truck for now, and then afterwards we're gonna be doing the rest. Hopefully it comes back so we can do something else to the truck, but for now we'll tackle the headlights. All right, so the first step, of course, you're gonna have to remove is all the top clips on this. Remove that. Next thing you have to do is get access to remove the grill. That'll be the next step. Then after we get access to remove the grill, we're gonna actually have access to remove 1, 2, and then there's one on the inside over here to remove the actual headlight housing. And that's the only way we're gonna get access to remove here. A lot of people before used to think you have to remove the front big bumper in the truck, which you really don't. Literally everything's accessible as it stands. There's nothing you have to put on jack. I mean, the truck's high enough for it to get to the back. All you have to do is just remove the inner wheel wall inside here so you can get to the back bolt right here. And like I said, those two, and then the one in the back. Same thing with the driver's side. Simple and easy. You know what I mean? You don't have to fucking bust your head about it, but just like that, that comes off. All right, so now that we have access to the inside of the grill, you're gonna remove all these 10, there's 4 millimeters, 4 10 millimeters right here. Once you have access to all that, easily remove, take them all out. All right, so now we got the grill off. Next thing we gotta do is just remove, where are they at? 1, and then there's 2, 3 right there. All 3 of those, plus the one on the inside. And that headlight's removed, and then same thing for the driver's side. Okay, side note, the bolt that to remove inside here was a bitch. Yeah, I did move the wheel to the side in order to get the access inside here, and I got it. But the only thing is, yes, it is a tight fit. Yeah, I mean, you gotta get in there at a weird angle, but I got it off, thankfully. It was literally this one right here. That was the last 10 millimeter that had to be removed. So yeah, so then it's gonna be the same side now for the passenger side. Just move the wheel the opposite way and just remove that last bottom bolt. It's gonna get a little tweak by tweak by tweak by tweak, but you should be able to get it off. No hassle there. So that's where I'm at now. This is coming off. That's you gotta, let me get my prior. So I'll pry this headlight up. Just like that. Okay, so now this headlight is being removed. Okay, so we'll just connect the red cable right here. So I'll disconnect the cable, and that's basically it. Then the whole, literally the housing just removes on its own. So yeah, that's where I'm at. Cable has to be pulled out, and then we'll do that side.